So this is your smart shore power plug-in. It will be a 30 amp. Male goes out and female goes into the van. Now, if you don't have a 30 amp on your house or business, what you can do, you can get one of a 30 amp short power plug that will plug into this, and you can plug right in here and have it charging. Now, this is how you connect the shore power cord to charge your house battery. Your smart charge should light up blue if it has power to it. Next, your silver cap, just flip it up and connect it. Once it's secured, it's weatherproof and it's ready to go. Now, I'll show you where you have to look for your charge. We'll come back here to the back of the van. You can go either in the side if it's safer for you and come back here into the bathroom. And we're going to check our inverter. Now, if your inverter battery logo, it's charging up like it's doing right here, you're good to go. Just leave your van charging up 12 to 24 hours into your voltage is 13.5 to 14 volts for a full charge.